In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix login problem. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the credentials that you're entering are correct. So the email address, mobile number, or the password that you're entering are correct. If you think that you've entered the wrong password, you can simply head over to the Get Help. And right here, you should be able to see the option called Forgot Email or Forgot Mobile Number, or in the next step, you'll also get the option of Forgot Password. But however, if this is not the case for you, you'll also need to ensure that you have disabled any sort of VPNs or proxies that you might be connected to. So make sure you do that as well. What might also have happened is the date and time settings within your device is not set to automatic. So simply head over to the date and time settings within your device and make sure that it matches the current date and time, as well as make sure that you set to automatic. If these are not the cases for you, then this likely may be happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you need to do is just reinstall the application of Netflix onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.